Welcome to Rick Riley's world, where we look at Rick's vast collection. How you doing, Rick?
Pretty good out there, buddy.
I hope they're good, but what do we have here?
Volkswagen.
Really?
Yeah, it's a 2005 Volkswagen Touareg. I know you're thinking it's just an old Volkswagen, but these cars here will really surprise you. It's got a twin turbocharged V10 diesel in it.
Wow.
They come from the factory with air ride suspension, lockers front and rear, high and low range transfer case. Really a heck of a vehicle. The engine's 300, and I think they say they're 313 horsepower with about 650 pound of torque, and it'll really surprise you for a Volkswagen. It'll flat get up and go. It's got all the good stuff on there, I guess, that you need or don't need. Heated seats and air front and rear. I seen one of these, and I thought one of these days we'll grab a hold, latch onto one of these. And this one came up down in Georgia. And we latched onto it.
Pop the hood.
See, it's John's rode in it, and he can tell you
It'll shit and get.
it's all plastic covers, but that's
Not much to look at, is it?
no. But there's a lot of power and horsepower right there. That'll really surprise you.
How fast you had it up to?
I've had it up to about 100, but I was reading in the owner's manual the suspension adjusts for your speed, and it said what the adjustment is on the suspension at 150 mile an hour. So, but you never would have thought Volkswagen would build a vehicle like this.
V10 TDI.
Yeah.
Wow. Most people scratch their head when you tell them that.
Yeah, they go, what?
That's a pretty nice one. Any messages for your fans this week?
Well, I might have to come up there with the tow truck and move some of the employees around up there at the Super Scouts probably next week. But
Really?
yeah,
We'll tell them you're on your way.
I appreciate it.
Catch you next time.
See ya.